So we are back. You thought we were not going to put Zoe Mari to the sword and put her. She's been working hard off air. We've been doing a lot of stuff off here because this is a big dish we're doing this morning. What Zoe Mari and I are rolling out this morning from TriniCooks.com is a simple recipe that we're calling Cornmeal and Callaloo Pie. As I told you, Zoe Mari, it's two of my favorite things. I love Callaloo.
I like Callaloo too.
I can drink Callaloo out of cups and just like, like
just
tea.
Like that.
Yeah, without anything. That's how much I love Callaloo. So after I have Callaloo on Sunday lunch, I can just have a cup and sip. That's how much I really love the thing.
And it's very nutritious as well.
It is. So what I've done is that we've decided, it's a brilliant recipe that we came up with on TriniCooks.com where we combined another favorite, which is cuckoo, which goes over Callaloo. We've combined them and come up with a pie.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So let me tell you quickly, we did some stuff off here and I'm going to tell you what Zoe Mari is working on there.
Right.
She chopped up, like Callaloo bush bhaji before it gets to here. So she's chopped up the Callaloo bush. We had some nice onions, garlic. We brought that to a nice little simmer. Threw the Callaloo bush in, some coconut milk in there. You can use the one in the pack if you so desire. Or you can grate like long time, you to grate the, and she has that simmering there. It's coming to a nice simmer. In here, in this pot, I have more coconut milk. So you get some coconut milk in here, and I'm going to put the, because I want this to come up to a boil very quickly. So I have coconut milk in here with some butter. I also added some green seasonings, salt, pepper. What else did I put in here? I have a little bit of pepper as well. I had some pimento pepper, all in here, bubbling up nicely. And this is the base for the cuckoo or the polenta, as the case may be, based on the kind of consistency that you want.
Yes.
So Zoe Mari, I know, I mean, you're sweating too much. I mean, you work hard over the... Would this be a dish that you think you would want to challenge yourself in the kitchen and make for the family at home?
Yes.
Yeah?
I think it's a nice dish. It's also an interesting dish because sometimes you want to try things that are different.
Yeah.
And the family loves Callaloo. My kids love Callaloo, so I think it'll be a nice thing to combine.
And we're going to serve this up with a nice stew fish, simple stew fish.
Right.
So, I mean, we're in the Lenten period. Some people are coming off the meat and that kind of thing, and doing Lenten recipes and non-meat recipes is difficult. So I thought this was so unique, where you can serve this just with stew fish alone, and you have a meal.
A complete meal.
A complete meal. So this is where the work really comes in.
Right.
This is 2 cups of cornmeal. In here, I told you we have just about 5 cups. We'll put the recipe on the website, TriniCooks.com, and you can, as I said, check it out. We have about 4 to 5 cups of coconut milk with the butter and the seasonings and everything in there. So I'm really going to just lower the heat down now. And let's start to get this happening. So I'm taking it off the heat, and you start to pour. So we just pour about half as I start to stir.
All right.
So I'm ready. The key to this is to keep stirring.
Right.
And all right, so hold there, let me get this going.
And that's about half.
Yeah. Give me some more, Zoe.
All right. Well, it's a good exercise too.
It's good exercise. So talking about exercise.
Yes.
Do you watch what you eat?
I try to as much as possible.
As much as possible.
Yes, I do.
Because have you always been a fitness buff?
Yes.
Yeah? And it's Zumba that you do. It's Zumba, the dance.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, dance fitness. That combines a little more. All right. That combines, dance and fitness. So you get a really good full body workout.
Yeah. I did it once.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How was it?
It ran away. And I probably look the most clumsy person trying to dance and exercise at the same time.
Yeah, but you see, the beautiful thing about Zumba is that it doesn't matter if you have 2 left feet.
And I have about 3.
You have 3. People come and they absolutely enjoy it. I think
it looks like
whether
fun.
they're coordinated, whether they're not coordinated, it really, as I say, gives you a good full body workout.
It looks like fun. It looks like fun. Let me get this from you. So I wanted to pick this up, guys. So this is, as I said, cuckoo polenta-ish kind of thing. You want a nice, good consistency. Now you can get this as soft as you want. You can probably add some more water, some more if you want some more coconut milk, as the case may be, to get this based on the texture you want. I want a bit of a nice firm texture, but not too hard.
Okay.
Because what we're going to do is we're going to be adding some liquid in this as well. So, so we're going to add straight in the callaloo bush as it is nice and sauteed down and nice and soft there.
Right.
You start to help me now and add here, and we're adding it straight into.
All right. So you want to do it like this?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right.
And as we do that, guys, we mix them and we get them all incorporated. Yeah. Give me another one.
All right. This is perfect for people who like to, especially busy moms like myself, to do a one-pot.
It's a one-pot thing. Yeah.
I mean, you are combining from 2 pots, but essentially,
And I think, so sometimes it's also a nice healthy version because, I mean, you can replace the macaroni pie with this. It's you know, that good.
You know, that is a favorite.
It's a favorite, but I mean, for those who are probably looking at the calories, and I'm sure, you know, you can replace the macaroni pie with this.
You can.
You can also make it ridiculous and add some cheese in this as well. I'm not going to do that because I have a Zumba instructor here with me this morning.
Oh, no. I'm not an extremist.
No,
I think balance is
important.
Key.
It's important,
Should I just do the rest of this like that?
Let's not waste that. That's good flavor there. That's good flavor there.
Okay.
And there you go. Mix that all in together. Oh my goodness. You should smell it. These are two of my favorites on a Sunday. You combine callaloo and cuckoo, and I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven.
Let's shut off.
So all we're doing here now is also here how I need you to help me. As I pour, as I said, I think there's a two-man job. This is not just for one person.
I realize I'm saying one pot, but we might need
So we start to get it there, and make sure you grease your dish, guys. The most important. Yeah. Oh, doesn't that look good?
Right, yes. Actually, as you mentioned cheese, I can see some Parmesan.
I can see some Parmesan cheese in this. I can see some Parmesan cheese in this. It will take it to a whole...
Give it a nice vibe.
Kick, a whole new kick. Look at that. Look at that.
I don't know. You just guide me here. I don't know if this is to your satisfaction.
Good. Nice.
Looks yummy.
Yeah.
Nice, and I love bhaji, spinach. I just think it's a great way to get it's a superfood,
And you know, on TriniCooks.com, that's kind of, we just like to really experiment with recipes a lot. And you can add spinach, you can put your own twist to this. So outside of just, I suppose, callaloo, you can use spinach.
Yes.
Kale is now a big superfood.
Kale, yes. You can make it more green.
More green, that's right.
Yeah,
make it more healthy.
Nice.
And, you know, I'm challenging myself over the next couple of weeks. I have a couple more weeks before I go back on my meat. So I need interesting dishes to keep me interested over the period of time.
To keep you over the Lenten season,
yes. To keep you over the time. Yes. This goes in the oven for just about 30, 35 minutes. You just want to get nice and brown and toasty. And this is ready to chop and serve. We're serving this up with some steamed fish. Don't move, guys. We're tasting right after this. So we're rolling out a recipe, simple recipe that Zoe and I rolled out this morning. We did all the work off air, so we just kind of wanted to pull it together to show you how simple it is to make this delicious dish. Please try it. So thank you very much for being a sport in the kitchen this morning.
Oh gosh, a pleasure.
Yeah. And we're going to be back. Zoe Mari is going to taste up. The proof of the pudding is in the eating, and that's what we're going to do after. Rolling out the recipe right here on TriniCooks on Thursday. Hope you enjoyed. Try this one. It's a callaloo and cornmeal pie that you can get on TriniCooks.com. We're coming right back. Don't